If you guys ever wonder why I always record the same area in my city the whole time here, it's cause this street over here that I'm about to pull into, this is our main street. It is called Main Street, and it is on Main Street. This is the only part of our city that people just come out at any hour of the day and just cruise and hang around. This is the street that everyone does the laps around and just drive all day. This is where you see all the fun and crazy things happen. It's where, you know, all the cool entertainment is. See, look at this, man. You only get that on Main Street, man. Everyone wants to race you on the bike. Only on our Main Street. I gotta fill up gas here. Time to fill up some more gas. This baby is thirsty. Gotta keep hydrated. Yeah, because if you want to look for some fun with people, you're not going to find that in the next street over. You know, all the fun happens on Main Street. Maybe that's why they call it Main Street. Who knows? What kind of vehicle is this? Man, that's a cool vehicle. I think I do one more loop on Main, and then I'm gonna hit the highway to Morden here, because they are having a festival right now. It's the last day of it, and they are giving out some free apple juice or apple cider. I think it's apple juice. Just, you know, a little container for you to drink. So gonna go check it out, and yeah, give me some free stuff. Because the free apple juice thing, whatever, that actually ends at 4, and right now it is 3:27, so I might not actually be able to make it, but it's okay if I don't, you know. I probably actually can't make it though, because it takes you, what, about I don't know, I never actually timed it, maybe around 15 to 10 minutes, I don't know, to get there. I could be way off. I'm not sure. But yeah, when you're alone, you know, not with somebody, there's not much for you at these kind of festivals. It's more fun if you had somebody to go with and then check things out, and you know, go on all the crazy rides out there. But you know, if you're just by yourself, it's no fun by yourself, man. Then yeah, I just would rather be out here and then ride around on my bike, you know. Well guys, should I hit the highway? 330. I know, you know, I don't know, man. Just why not? You know, I just could hit the highway, you know, then just be in the area for a bit and come way back, you know. So yeah, I could do that. I don't know, I gotta think about it here. Yeah, the other day, guys, actually 2 days ago, I got my first ticket last night. Well, not last night, but it was sort of at night. It was around yeah, 9 o'clock. I was on the highway. Of course, it was during the festival, so during the worst time here, because then the cops are out trying to, you know, get guys. And I wasn't actually paying attention, and I was going 30 over. Speed limit on the highway is 100, and a cop, never saw him, don't know where he actually was, but he got me at 130. So that's fun. Gotta pay my first speed ticket. Now unfortunately, my 360 camera died, and my GoPro, I only recorded a portion of it, and my camera angle I think wasn't set up properly, or it's pointing more down there. But you know, it is what it is, man. It was probably bound. See, this is why I try to record, you know, things like that. But sometimes, you know, I forget to turn my cameras on, or my batteries, they just die so quickly. They only give me an hour and a half for both, and then the batteries dies. So it's quite annoying. Yeah, because all these drivers, man, they think their vehicle is faster than a motorcycle, where they can try to get on the street, or you know, move across faster than you will get there. I guess people don't understand how fast motorcycles really can be, you know? Or these drivers just don't know what they're doing, you know? Some people just don't think. I want to go get that guy now, man. Yeah, if I see another bike or another two-wheel, I always just, you know, want to see what they're up to and follow them. Because, you know, why not? Then another two-wheel. And he's coming over here. Let's go. Now sometimes I can follow them, and sometimes I can't, because they disappear. Because this guy, he disappeared. I don't know where he went. Hi.
How's it going, man?
Pretty good.
Cruising around?
Oh yeah.
Take it for a little spin, nice. And where are you guys heading to tonight?
What's that?
Where are you guys heading tonight?
No, I'm just cruising down anywhere.
Anywhere that's got road, right?
Yep.
That's an awesome bike.
Yeah, thank you. Same with yours, man.
Thanks, man. This is a 600?
Yeah, 650.
Not as ZX6 though. What kind of bike is it?
It's a Kawasaki 2023.
Oh, very nice, very nice. You buy it brand new?
Yep. Got out the dealership on the highway there.
That's not your first bike, right?
It is.
That's your first bike?
Yeah, got it 2 weeks ago.
That's ballsy.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, sweet backpack. I've seen those things before.
Yeah.
This first time rider?
Yeah.
No way. That's awesome. Hey, how's it going, man? Good. Yes, sir.
How'd you like it?
I love it. It's a lot of fun. I want a new one though. I want one of the 2022s, like the newer looks. They look very nice.
They're pricey though, eh?
Oh my goodness, are they ever? There's a guy in town here. He bought a brand new carbon fiber Yamaha R1
Yeah, I know.
and completely carbon fibered it.
Yeah, that's kind of it.
Yeah.